What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. This is the Oklahoma Prepper. Um, I've got zombie virus again. I tested yesterday and I tested positive for zombie virus. Um, Please, before I go into, um, let me make an explanation. Uh, I work for the government. I work for a government, um, a tribal government. I can't go into details to what I do and who exactly I work for. But I am vaccinated. Um, I'm sorry to let y'all down. However, I am on a lot of your side. Now, let me explain. I wanted to promote in my job, and I was able to successfully do that. Their requirement was promotion candidates had to be vaccinated. Um, it was my decision. I put down my own personal values. In hindsight, shouldn't have done that. Vaccines do not work. Um, you are probably wondering, you probably got a lot of questions. And if I don't answer some of these questions, feel free to let me know in the comments. I will uh, answer them as best I could. Um, Back in December of last year, you guys remember, I'm sorry, December 2020, you guys remember that I had the zombie virus then. Uh, this year, everything was identical. The first 2 days, I was feeling horrible. Um, then the second 2 days, I lost my sense of smell and taste. And here I am on day 4 uh, of symptoms. I tested yesterday and tested positive, so there's that. My days off. I've been on days off. I'm quarantined. I've quarantined myself. Um, I'm trying to reduce exposure as much as possible. All that good stuff. So, sorry, my neck's a little stiff. Um, so let's talk about what it's done to me. Um, it really affects your body's pre-existing conditions. For example, me, my back is destroyed. You guys know that. Um, I'm having. I've, I realized it was possibly it when my back was hurting really bad, and I was sneezing a lot. Uh, I attributed my back pain at first to when I sneezed, I possibly popped a rib out of place, which really hurts, and had possibly caused my back to hurt. Then the flu-like symptoms came out, and I knew that it was not just back pain. Um, Other than that, I this is day 4. Day I don't even know what today is. I think it's day 4. I feel fine, just a little congested. However, I yesterday I tried to do some work in the yard, and today I did a little bit of work in the yard too. It wears me out a lot more. It wears me out a lot quicker, just like last year. And it took me a long time last year to really get my stamina built back up to be able to go through the workday, get stuff done that I needed to get done, and without being so tired. And so, um, unfortunately for me, with this promotion comes a bigger job and a lot more responsibility, which the responsibility is not an issue. It's the amount of foot time that I have now has almost quadrupled. Um, I'm now on my feet about 10 to 11, averaging 11 miles a day, according to my phone app, which, of course, take it for what it's worth. So, yeah, that's my update for now. I've been doing a lot of ham radio stuff, enjoying ham radio, doing some class for some classwork, work-related classwork on the computer here at home, which is technically not working off the clock because it is stuff that I really can't do at work because I'm so busy at work. But it gives me time to sit down, relax, watch a video, take a little test, and in 10 minutes I'm done. So it's not really work. So with my promotion, my days off have changed. I'm going back to 3 days off, which gives me a chance to do stuff. Now that being said, I have COVID, so I can't really do much. This promotion is pretty recent. So now that I'm in the groove of changing my normal days off, things that I usually do on my days off, to the beginning of the week, the middle of the week, rather than the end of the week, I'm able to start getting things to where I can do stuff on my days off. So we're gonna get back to doing some awesome stuff, doing some camping and prepping stuff, which I would love to show y'all some of the preps that I have. However, YouTube's community guidelines have changed a lot in the last several months. They would probably not let me post the video. I honestly don't even know if they would let me post the video because of me mentioning the vaccination and having the zombie virus. So we're going to try it. Yeah. That's going to do it for this one, guys. Sorry about the long wait. I'll keep in touch with you guys. Those of you that know me personally, feel free to shoot me a text or email or a message. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and keep prepping.